Naked Wines is an online wine retailer that was launched in December 2008. It operates in the UK, USA, and from 2012 also in Australia. They have invested over $30 million in Australian winemakers and have funded over 130 winemakers worldwide. They also have over 300,000 customers who are referred to as angels. The following describes the business model based on the business model canvas. Based on the business patterns identified in the St. Gallen Business Model Navigator, the most relevant for Naked Wines are the long tail pattern and the two-sided market pattern. The long tail pattern is prevalent in Naked Wines as the company holds the niche product of wine, which does not demand a high volume nor allow for a large margin. The two-sided market pattern also applies to Naked Wines because it facilitates interactions between interdependent groups of customers, in this case between various customer segments and the winemakers who themselves act as customers as they use provided facilities. The focus of Naked Wines is to link quality independent winemakers with customers seeking a variety of rare wines at lower prices than a typical brick and mortar retailer. The major customer segments are subscribers or angels who pay $40 per month in return for exclusive wines at prices around 25 to 50% lower than retail ones. Archangels provide the same financial support, however they are ambassadors of Naked Wines and are more involved in the social proof process. The other major customer segments are investors, occasional wine drinkers, and winemakers themselves as they use production facilities and other items during the production process. The value proposition is twofold. Firstly, it offers the possibility to buy from independent winemakers around the world with home delivery and at a discounted price. On the other hand, it offers independent winemakers crowd-funded investments, which reduces the risk associated with production in exchange for low prices. The online platform is used to market a variety of wines in three ways. 1. Create personalised wine cases. 2. Buy pre-packed cases. Or 3. Pitch cases to test market demand for winemakers' products. They also offer a specific value proposition to investors using bonds, where investors are rewarded with interest of 7% in cash or 10% in wine credits. The website is the major channel through which customers and winemakers interact. Each month, Naked Wines invites some winemakers to pitch possible projects online, which angels can then bid on. If the bid reaches a minimum volume, the wine will be produced and shipped directly to the customer. Consumers use the website or app to scan available products, express preferences, place a bid, review products, and socialise with other users. Delivery is managed using a network of warehouses throughout the UK, USA, and Australia. Naked Wines uses the flexibility of the internet to manage its customer relationships. Customers can interact with winemakers, review and recommend products, and create a personalised Naked Me blog. They also provide customer service through weekly emails with new offers, information, and increased discounts. They act in a proactive way, supporting the co-creation of value by allowing customers to influence the products through these mediums. Naked Wines' revenue streams are primarily provided by the monthly subscription paid by angels and the bonds issued in 2013. The subscriptions simulate crowdfunding and allow Naked Wines to continue investing in existing partnerships, but also to explore new areas and expand their network. Another part of the revenue comes from a general 10% commission on the final price of wine. The key resources needed to operate Naked Wines are the platform, subscription income, customer profiles, bonds, grapes, and winemaking facilities. The main resource is the platform, as it allows for all activity. The subscription income allows Naked Wines to invest in winemakers and purchase their grapes. For the production, winemaking and bottling facilities are rented. The financial bonds set up in 2013 were an initial key resource to expand the business. The following key activities help generate revenue. 1. Social proofing helps to both expand and solidify the customer base through an effective use of consumer reviews. 2. Upfront investment in raw material. 3. Providing a chief winemaker who leads a team to help operate the wineries. 4. The company handling distribution of wine from warehouse to customer. The key partners in the Naked Wines operation are winemakers, carriers, and investors. Winemakers are the most important partners as they provide Naked Wines with investment opportunities and provide customers with products. Different carriers are used depending on the current needs of the firm, and various investors have financed or covered company losses during its development, including bondholders. Considering the costs, around 30% of Naked Wines' gross profit is spent on wine production, while distribution costs are around 15%. They generate economies of scale by buying barrels, bottles, corks, and labels in bulk. The other major costs are website maintenance, staff wages, and interest payments. Naked Wines employs a unique business model that has stimulated growth and created success. Despite the positive outcome, some potentially negative aspects of the business include a limited niche market, affordability, and unfavorable feedback. The $40 per month subscription may be unaffordable for some consumers, and there are some negative reviews about the subscription fee and customer service. However, overall, Naked Wines is ultimately a viable business due to its strong investor and customer base, modern appeal to consumers, and the business model's ability to harness technology and adapt with changes in market trends.